All right, we're gonna go pump out. That chore was long overdue. We haven't pumped out in like a month and a half. So it turns out that 1 3/4 inches is very close to 45 millimeters. We'll see. I think this hole's too small, the one the wire's going through. Okay, so what I just did is I epoxied the edges of these holes. Hey, what's up? So I have a pretty big announcement that I wanted to share with you guys. I have connected with Damage Control Sailing over on the East Coast. Hello sailors, my name's Andy and this is my wife Misty. A few years ago we bought an old neglected sailboat for $3,500 and I've been working on it ever since. I literally learned how to sail on YouTube, but later we both took some lessons. I used to think that sailing was only for rich people. It's not. I used to also think that you had to sail around the world to have fun. You don't. Click subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and join us, and we'll show you how much fun you can have coastal cruising on a cheap sailboat. Welcome to Sailing Soleil. All right, we're gonna go pump out, and I've got the assistance of my lovely bride today. Misty's on board with us. Welcome to my world, everyone. All right, let's go, baby. I thought I was filming, I wasn't filming. Dadgummit. I thought I was filming Misty that whole time. Dang it. Sorry babe, I didn't get all of your amazing docking skills.
It's okay.
Captain Dumbass. So when are you coming to Catalina with me, babe?
Anytime.
And by any time, she means she'll take the flyer and meet me there. Other way.
Oh, you want it this way?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah. And then we'll give it a spring line. And then take it back there and do it again.
From here or from over here?
Yep, that side.
Opposite side?
Yeah. That chore was long overdue. We haven't pumped out in like a month and a half. Not really using the head or anything because the shoreline pump outs are broke, but check that one off the list. Adios mio, oh my God.
Just kidding.
So it turns out that 1 3/4 inches is very close to 45 millimeters. It's just about a millimeter more, not actually like a half a millimeter. So that's the one we'll use for that cutout. It's the same over here. Okay, we're here back at the Windlass install, and I've got all my stuff down here, tools and everything in the anchor locker. And this is the template. So the question is, what angle to put this at, because this is where the chain will drop in this circle. Ideally, if you were doing this on your boat, your bow roller likely won't come back this far, and you would just put it right in the middle, and that would be the best place for it. As you can see, my anchor stop and my bow roller is kind of in the way. I'm really torn about if I should get rid of this anchor stop and build this up a 1/4 of an inch right here to match the stainless, and then have it here in the middle. That would be ideal, because then this will drop down in the middle. But if I do that, my fluke of my anchor won't come all the way back this far, and it will be sticking out a little far off the bow roller. And right now it fits perfectly. So my thought is to put it right next to it and cock this a little to the middle, not too much. And that way it's only about an inch, maybe 2 inches off center, which is kind of a lot in my opinion. But that, with this way, I'll be able to pull it in all the way up to here, and then just pull it the rest of the way and lock it in. Now the other problem is, down below, you can see here that I've got these are my nav lights. So when that chain drops in, I don't want it to drop into this nav light box. I want it to, be in the middle, ideally. So that's another problem. So we're just, really trying to figure this out, because there's a bunch of different little teeny factors to take into consideration as before I start drilling holes, and I really only get one chance to drill it. But I've been going after this for a couple weeks now, just really bashing my head about it. So eventually I just gotta put the drill bit on the drill and drill a hole and live with whatever we got. I don't think it's gonna be perfect, because I don't think my scenario is perfect, but we're gonna do it anyway. All right, this is committing right now. Let's go. That is a done deal. If you know me, and you might know I'm a little indecisive. So sometimes these projects take a lot longer than they should, because I'm just thinking about it, what I should do. We'll see. I think this hole's too small, the one the wire's going through. Oh, it's not. And would you look at that? I will seal that up with epoxy so the core doesn't get any sort of water intrusion. But right now I'm just fitting it. It's really nice. There's not a lot of arc to the deck right there, which is nice. Okay, so what I just did is I epoxied the edges of these holes so that it will seal that and there won't be any water intrusion on any of the holes. I'll probably give it one more coat in an hour. This will set. It sets in 5 minutes and it says it cures in an hour. So I'll give it an hour and I'll do one more. I'm just using JB Weld Clear Weld. It's epoxy, you know, you can get fancy and you can get crazy with all the different epoxies and stuff, but this is super easy for small jobs like this. You know, just get some of this, and epoxy is epoxy. It's waterproof and all that. Read the label, you'll see. But that's all I'm using. All right, so now I've just put the windlass in, but there's nothing down here yet. I need to put the motor assembly up against there, and that chuck key on the shaft here, it fits really tight, so it's going to take some finagling to get it to work, and a little bit of gentle persuasion, I'm guessing. So we'll see how that goes. This thing's heavy too. Okay, wow. Well, that slid on pretty good, but that's not even close to all the way up. So that's gonna take some work. We'll come back when it's in. Hey, what's up? So I have a pretty big announcement that I wanted to share with you guys. I have connected with Damage Control Sailing over on the East Coast. His name is Fred, and he has I think it's an Island Packet 42. It's either a 40 or a 42. And I hit him up a little while ago and I said, hey man, if you ever need crew for a long passage, I'd love to have some East Coast sailing experience. And then he said, as a matter of fact, I just dropped my boat off to get some chain plates redone, and it'll be ready in a month. So him and I have been going back and forth talking and stuff, and I'm flying out on Saturday, which is June 1st, and we're gonna take his boat from Stuart, Florida, all the way up to Virginia in the Chesapeake Bay. So that's about 700 nautical miles, and we're not going to take the ICW, we're going to take the Gulf Stream offshore. So pretty exciting news for me that I'll get to be able to do a really long passage on the East Coast and get some of that experience, and really looking forward to that. So hope to have you guys follow along and take you with me, and you know how I do it. I'm just gonna show you how it all goes and hopefully get some good shots on the way. But really looking forward to this, and I want to say thanks, Fred, for having me come along, and the adventure awaits. So we'll see how that goes.